Executive-ready KPI language for FinOps leaders' clear, trusted definitions. Welcome! Today we'll make your FinOps KPIs crystal clear. Executives trust precise, plain language because it removes guesswork and speeds decisions. When KPIs use ambiguous terms, teams debate definitions instead of acting, and roadmaps stall. In FinOps, every KPI should map to outcomes: lower cloud unit cost, higher margin, faster feature delivery, not vanity numbers. Clear wording means leaders instantly see what's good, what's off, and what to do next. By the end, you'll have a repeatable way to write KPIs that stand up in a boardroom and guide real action. Start by defining the financial object. What exactly are we measuring? First, name the unit of measure clearly. Is it cost per API call, spend per workload hour, or gross cloud margin? Next, state currency, scope, and time window. USD, production accounts only, last 30 calendar days. Finally, tie it to a business objective such as margin, cash flow, or customer experience. For example, reduce compute cost per order to improve contribution margin. When the object is explicit, stakeholders share the same mental model and avoid apples to oranges comparisons. Never hide the math. Show numerator and denominator so everyone sees what drives movement. Cost per API call equals total compute cost / total successful API calls. Then, list inclusions / exclusions, which tags, projects, accounts, or services count, and which do not. Also state the data source and refresh cadence. Billing export from data lake, refreshed daily at 2 o'clock Coordinated Universal Time. Explicit formulas turn KPIs from vague signals into actionable levers. Teams can lower the numerator, raise the denominator, or fix data quality with confidence. Pick one term per concept and use it everywhere. If you choose cost over spend, stick with it across dashboards, tickets, and reviews. Ban fuzzy words that invite debate. Optimize, significant, soon. Replace them with numeric clarity. Use thresholds and ranges, not adjectives. Alert when cost per order greater than 45 cents for 3 consecutive days. Beats costs are high. Standardized language shortens meetings, prevents policy loopholes, and makes automation possible because rules are machine-readable and human-agreeable. A KPI is only useful if it drives action. Ask, what decision will this KPI trigger? For example, pause scale-up or switch instance family. Next, who owns the action and by when? Name a role and a timeline. FinOps lead within 24 hours. Finally, what is the acceptable variance band? Define tolerance, like quote, plus or minus 5% week over week. These questions convert metrics into decision frameworks, so when the number moves, the response is automatic and accountable, not debated in the next quarterly review. Lock in 3 anchors. The baseline is the current, verified value using the approved definition, e.g., cost per API call, $0.0032, last 30 days. The target is time-bound and leader-approved. Reduced to $0.0026 by Q4. The benchmark is an external or peer reference, industry reports, vendor guidance, or a similar product team. This trio prevents sandbagging and wishful thinking. Baselines keep you honest. Targets create urgency, and benchmarks add context, so executives understand whether your performance is competitive or just internally improved. Make your KPI auditable. First, Document lineage from raw data to KPI, table names, joins, filters, transformations. Second, version control definitions and formulas, so changes are tracked with timestamps and approvers. Third, include an example calculation with sample data. Show inputs, the exact formula, and the resulting number. When auditors, finance partners, or engineering leads can trace a KPI end-to-end, trust increases, disputes drop, and you can evolve the metric confidently without breaking historical comparability. Use a one-pager leaders can scan in 30 seconds. Include name plus intent sentence, e.g., cost per order, track unit economics to improve margin. Add definition plus formula plus scope with inclusions/exclusions. Provide data source plus cadence plus owner plus alert rules. Billing export daily. Owner, FinOps lead. Alert when greater than $0.45 for 3 days. Jira auto ticket to cloud team. This template standardizes how KPIs are created, debated, and operationalized, ensuring every metric is decision-ready, auditable, and aligned to business outcomes.